stitch, we are going to increase by knitting into the front of the stitch and then knitting into the back. And the abbreviation for this is KFB. So we're going to insert our needle, yarn her over, then pull up your loop, and without dropping the loop off of your left hand needle, insert your needle again into the back of the stitch, yarn over, bring up another loop. You can see you have 2 stitches here where there was once one. Now you drop it off your left hand needle. And we're going to place a marker. Then we're going to knit 2. Then we're going to place another marker. And we are going to do another increase. And then just keep knitting to the end of your row. And that's how you do a front and back increase and place your markers.